Make the ground shake.
Hello guys, today we're going to make a video about Dead Angel level 3. And if you want to join in my gang, Gangstar, just comment below and I will accept you when the gang event starts. Because now there's no space. Okay. And to unequip object, just equip it and now you don't have weapons now. But if you and how to unequip the mecha cloud, just click it and this technology ability. Okay, let's do now. Sorry to my voice. I went in my school earlier and I'm tired, but I'm playing the gun. I will make a video for you. Okay. This okay. I just let's do it again. First, this gun is really cool, you know. Wow. It's gold and white, the color. It's really cool. Okay, and I will choose to upload for this video. I will use the limited military and the cap level 3 and limited military pants and limited military vest. Okay, let's do the first, you know. And one of my friends give me a challenge and I will do it later. This challenge for me is get a tank in 45 minutes 45 seconds and lose the cup in 15 seconds. I don't know if I can do it. I think I'm not. It's very hard. That is very hard challenge. You see, it's really cool. There's no people. What happened to you guys? Let's play this. It'd be nice. Whoa. It's fire, no. It's not aiming into the... No, it's not aiming. Okay, let's do it again. The other car. Nah, that's firing. Okay. It's very strong rifle. I think the best rifle is the strong rifle is the Chiringa level 3, but I like the Art Dispenser level 2. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's go in my house. Okay. I will. Okay. I really like this jetpack. I don't know why. I think it's It's really cool. And guys, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like my video and to get many views, guys. Please. Let's go in my house. Okay, I made it. Let's go down in swimming pool. Oh, I swim. And if you guys, let's just try this. This is about 6 minutes. Oh, it's sorry. Okay, the other. Let's just try this. Guys, please subscribe and don't forget to like it. I just reminding you to get me new subscribers. And I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Or just give me a challenge if you want. This is really cool. Okay, mini cars. Oh, what is the tank? Oh man. Oh, I survived. What is that? Invisible rock. Okay guys, let's do now the challenge. Now guys, I'm going to do now the mission. The challenge is get a military tank in 45 seconds and lose the cup in 15 seconds. I hope I can do it. And if you want to help me, just comment below. Okay. Okay, let's do this. How can I find a military tank? There's no tank in here. Okay, one. Okay, first use this gun because it's very helpful for the. Okay. The military is okay. Count. I got the military tank in before 45 seconds, and now countdown 9 if I got yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 22 23 24 25 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 34 seconds. I failed it. This is very hard. Okay. She said use this also. Yes. if you do that, it can only one shot in. I don't know what happened. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like it. Bye. I did it.